God's eternal purpose, which is to save human beings on the earth. After receiving a revelation, the great tabernacle of God's habitation.
So, clear kayo mga isog, ipagkita diri sa point D, mao na itong ikuha na ko nga ang subject. O sa general skills, mo din ang God's original intention is not only for us to be brought back into Kanaan, to free us from Egypt, but this original intention is to brought us into Canaan, so that we may enjoy Christ as the meat supply. Then, not only that, ipakita dito ang mana, di ba, sa while they were journey, while they were in travel, di ba, nag-travel sila from Egypt to Canaan, ang ilang sustenance, ang ilang supply is only katulad mga mana, di ba? I know nga, some of you are familiar with the story or in the context of mana nga, ang mana, what it is. Kung saan kanang ba, dili ka makasabot, basta kay, siguro sa kagutom pa nila, they need to eat, to survive. So, but the mana signifies Christ, di ba? Signifies siya ni Christ. So, kita mga magluto mo ng ang goal din niya, mubalik ka sa Ginoo. Need to be brought back into Christ as our real enjoyment. So, today, klaro naman, ganun, pag-iba mo nila ganina na mga mo niya itong i-request nila, subject. O na siya general sketch, mo na siya point doon niya, na makasunod yung kadiya ni Kristo ingon nga nagayang sangam natin. So, let's proceed to Leviticus. The writer, the place, and the trial, tama na bro? Tama, di ba? Section, manaman ni enslaved within. So, the writer, the place, and the time. Subject. Go to subject. Subject of Leviticus is the giving worship to God and the living a holy life. The background.